If you're looking for somewhere fun to go, that's also for a good cause. SANCCOB Seabird Rescue Center, and they're currently running a Valentine's Day special. They look after and rehabilitate the African penguin, which is actually an endangered species. We only have less than 10,000 breeding pairs in the world. You get to go on a guided tour and see the penguins. You learn so much. Like, did you know that penguins only have one mating partner in their whole life? Yeah, I should have been born a penguin, hey? And afterwards, you can go to their gorgeous little cafe for some light snacks. And you can browse through the bunch of cute penguin things they have in their gift shop. And all of your support at their facility goes towards looking after the penguins that they rehabilitate, which is quite expensive per month.